Guys, what's up? As requested, we've got another Aero video to cover today. We're going to go and find out where we are for Aero today. I actually did give you 2 key levels to be buying. Did you buy? Did you not? Because we actually did hit both of them. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, now before I do start, please go and show my ex some love. I'm at like 1.1k. We're going to be trying to grind this thing up all the way through the bull run. And again, if you're not already subscribed, please help me. I'm on my journey to 10k subs. We can get there. I know there's a lot of you Aero guys out there that are not subscribed. So let's go and do it because I'll let you know when I'm doing the Aero updates. Now, there's been a lot of concerns about the inflation for Aero, and we're going to get into that in just a second. But are we in the middle of a Wyckoff accumulation, guys? It looks like we could be. Now, you can see here, guys, it's broken down into phase A, B, C, D, and E. And right now, it looks like we're trying to enter phase C, which is the spring. This is one of the most crucial points of the Wyckoff accumulation, guys, because if we don't get a significant spring and then a retest here, it could be signaling something very bearish for Aero. But right now, I don't think we need to be getting too bearish. We will check our trading view at the end of the video to see where we are today, but we actually did retest sub 90 cents, guys, and that was a level that I said to you guys we need to be keeping an eye on. We actually touched it twice before. This will be the third time testing this 88-cent level, guys. Now, if we do have a very successful spring, then we could start to make our way back up to the $1 and beyond. And like I said, each time Aero has been oversold, there has been a subsequent rally, guys, and shout out Alexander. Shout out you. You're probably going to see this video. What's up, my boy? Go and leave a comment in the comment section. But look, he's seeing the same thing as what I've been seeing as well. And now was not the time to be selling or getting out of the market for Aero, even though the FUD was at an all-time high for Aero. Now, one thing to note is that the Coinbase smart wallet is live. And while, yes, smart wallets have been around, guys, we know that. It's okay. You don't need to get too upset. We know. Guys, they're going to be integrating Aerodrome into it, which is going to onboard a lot more users through the Coinbase wallet, guys. It's going to make swaps a lot more seamless for the average retail investor or the newbie. So this is positive news for Aero. But what about the inflation? Now, as many of you guys know, there are many people that are getting Aero emissions, and they will be beginning at 10 million Aero per epoch or per week. You can see here they've broken it down as well. So the takeoff in the first 14 epochs, emissions will increase by 3% per epoch, topping slightly above 15 million Aero. The gradual increase will support the acceleration of the flywheel, allowing time for the ecosystem to develop and protocols to onboard. Now, after that, we go into the cruise phase, which is after epoch 14. Emissions will decay at 1% per epoch, ensuring supply inflation decreases as the protocol matures, which is good. And then you've got Aero Fed as well. So when emissions programmatically drop under 9 million per epoch, approximately epoch 67, the Aero voters will take control of Aerodrome's monetary policy through the Aero Fed system. Voters will collectively make one of 3 choices, and that's going to be either increase emissions by 0.1% of the total supply, or 0.5% annualized, decrease emissions by 0.1% of the total supply, or maintain the current emission rate, which is going to be unchanged as a percentage of the total supply, guys. So again, that is something to note, that they are trying to be deflationary in the long term, but right now, yes, it is inflationary, and yes, a lot of you guys do have concerns about the tokenomics, but we need to be onboarding new protocols through Aerodrome, guys. And we've got another one that's been onboarded today, and that is Chintai Nexus, and they've launched the CHEX/USDT pair pool on Aerodrome, and again, we already know it serves as a liquidity and volume hub for Base, guys. And again, it is trying to be one of the top destinations for real world asset projects launching on Base. We already know the potential of the RWA sector for crypto as a whole. Now, okay, some of you guys are still not going to be happy with the inflation. I get it, but look at some of the stats. While we are now at, the price is probably above 88 cents, guys. Let's give it a refresh. Right, we're currently at 92 cents. We're up 5% for the day. Yes, we are down a lot for the week, for the month, for the year, but we're currently at 91,000 holders, guys. And if you go and check here, in May, the ending of May, we were at 83,000 holders. So I'd assume by the end of June, maybe early July, we should be above 100k holders for Aero, and that's something you want to see. You want to see the holder stats starting to increase. You want to see them onboard new protocols through Aerodrome, and you also want to see like the slipstream data continuing to outperform things like Uniswap, things like PancakeSwap, all that sort of stuff, guys, which it is. Then let's go and check out the trading view. Alrighty guys, now last time I did make a video, we were around here, and I said this just isn't going to be the bottom, okay? It's just not going to be the bottom. And I was expecting anywhere between 97 cents, where we picked up more, to this 87 cents, where we picked up more, guys. And again, if you haven't got buy orders, and you need to be placing those because you may have missed that now, guys. Not to say it couldn't come lower, but look, we're at our final buy, and we're starting to see a bounce. We're seeing a bullish engulf on the daily. Does it mean that we can't go lower? No, it doesn't. I mean, we could fill this wick here a little bit lower, just above 80 cents, guys, but we're not counting on could, should, maybes. We're just DCAing in at key levels of support. Now, if we do break the 80 cent region, then we will start to have to reanalyze and say, right, are we starting to go down to this 60 cent region? But for now, we're trying to set our final buys up at around this 87 cents, guys. And for now, I mean, we're up 5% on the day. We do need to see a significant spring here over the coming days and weeks for us to return bullish for Aero, and for us to say, right, we're going to start to work our way back up and tackle this all-time high at $2.38. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think of Aero in the comments. Are you bearish still? Are you bullish? Are you just accumulating in this time like I am? All comments are welcome. And if you got this far, pause the video, smash that like button, drop me a sub. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.